T-shirt. Shirt.
There's been 4 recordings of this. What are you wearing?
Shirt. So, Raquel, what?
Outfit of the day. So I am wearing my Animal Kingdom top from Shein and my leopard print shorts from Primark because, oh no, zebra print shorts from Primark because I couldn't get the leopard print ones that I wanted. I have a little Daisy duck on my socks.
Yeah,
and
Daisy.
Trusty New Balances, which are good for the parks.
The New Balance.
And then I have my little Mickey necklace.
Oh yes.
My little Mickey earrings. Jewellery on, my little bride thing because the first time today I am wearing
the bride ears.
My mini bridal ears.
The Frenchies.
Because it is 24 hours till we get married.
It is literally just about 24 hours.
24 hours.
It's about 25 hours to go.
But we're going to go Animal Kingdom and we're going to have a nice chill day. And it's actually sunny outside today!
Hey.
So it is precisely 9 o'clock and we are going to go to Animal Kingdom, which is our first Disney park of the trip. Woo!
So, where are we?
We're here at Animal Kingdom.
It's far hotter today.
Actually,
Sun's being down.
beautiful day. But anyway, let's get inside. Just got in and we're gonna go straight to
Mount Everest.
Expedition Everest?
Expedition Everest.
Yeah, hell yeah. Let's
It's
go.
not Mount Everest.
It's a wee
It's
bit.
not the real one, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Anyway.
I can see it from the distance.
We're gonna go there first and then maybe get some food. So, come along. Yeah.
Oh, there's the coin thing as well, remember? I think the last time we came here we flipped all the coins, we had
Yeah,
like
you
spare
can put
shingles.
coins into the
So we were trying our
thing.
best to like flick them in, so we'll give it another shot.
Anyway, 25 minutes for Expedition Everest. Although the queue looks longer than
I'm
that.
donating for that.
Should we get this for Gus?
I miss my boy. Look how big his paws are.
I've never been a loungefly person, but I think I'm going to become a loungefly.
Hi.
Just off Expedition Everest, and it was way better and way faster than we
so
remember.
good.
So good, so fun. Also, in general, everything is like way better than I remember. I think
It's just a fresh set of eyes, isn't it?
it's literally such a stunning park. I don't remember appreciating it this much at all. I think we were just too dead last time, but literally for the first 5 minutes we walked in, I'm like, I don't even think I've seen, I feel like I've never properly seen this through like clear eyes before. So yeah, actually so good. We're gonna head to Navi River, which we've never been on. And it's a 50-minute wait, but we can do it because it's early and we've got energy. So anyway, let's go do Navi River.
Navi.
This little monkey just trying to mind his own business and chill.
You show off to do so. It's the biggest tree in the world.
Having a great morning so far, except for the fact that we missed breakfast again. We're gonna go get on another ride and then we will go get lunch instead.
Yeah.
My ears are glowing. Oh wait, it's in the light now. There it goes. That's so funny.
So good.
Taden right into food. Absolutely starving. Both got the Satu'li bowls.
Yes.
Mine's shrimp. Nathan's got chimichurri beef.
Yeah, is that people? What's his name?
Yeah.
Big teacher.
Small detour because they gave Nathan chicken, which he's allergic to. So that was fun. But
You get there.
he's alive. They tried to kill him the day before the wedding, but that's fine. And then I had to go get a straw because I'm eating shrimp and he's also allergic to fish. So we can't drink out the same cup unless I have a straw.
It's okay.
But we finally have lunch, so... and it's really good.
It's really good.
But that beef looks really good. That looks nicer than the one you had.
The beef is really good. I can see why the chick, like, it's an honest mistake they made. And if I could eat chicken, I wouldn't have said anything. Because you get extra meat for less price. But you can't eat chicken, so it's okay.
I got the rice and black beans, chili garlic shrimp, in creamy herb sauce.
So creamy herb sauce.
It's the boba balls that make it.
The boba balls are good.
It's so weird. You'd think that wouldn't go, but they're sweet, but they're really good.
Yeah. That's excellent.
Anyway, we just did Flight of Passage, which was amazing. So good.
Really fun.
We waited about an hour for it, which I think is normal to reasonable for that.
Yeah. Seems pretty stable about that time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was
Very
good.
happy with it.
So, have some lunch, and then I want to go try the pineapple cream cheese spring roll, and also get a night blossom.
Yeah.
And then we might do Navi River.
Navi
If the
River.
wait time is not too bad. Alright.
Yeah.
I just got another boba ball.
Yeah, I'm about to have them.
Really good.
With a little burst of french.
It's sweet. And it's weird, but it's good. I feel like I've heard that Animal Kingdom is meant to be the best food. I can see why they have like more unusual stuff.
You Africa, Asia, the Pandora.
Also,
Quite a lot of food actually as
the
well.
Satu'li Canteen is really nice to sit in. We're in the outdoor bit.
Foggy, isn't it?
Yeah. Time for Navi River Journey. To Pongu Lumpia, cream cheese, pineapple cream cheese, spring roll.
Yep.
And then we have a night blossom, and then Hawks Grog Ale green beer. So that looks really cool. Thoughts on the cream cheese pineapple?
I like it. It's sweet. It's like it's almost like a pizza. Ham cheese pizza.
That's what it reminds me of. Which is strange. But cheese pineapple, that's the flavour. That makes sense. Pongu Lumpia from Pongu Pongu.
Finger.
I think I like it. I feel like it takes a bit of time. Or I was like, first bite, I'm like, I'm not 100% sure.
It's good too.
Still don't know if I want the whole thing. You want to review your beer?
It's beer. No, it's good.
It's a green beer.
Very green.
No, there's a beer.
It's like a nice lager. You taste the green, right?
I really like. Actually, it tastes like a really nice beer. The kind of beer I would like is just this plain lager, but I like it to be quite poppy, and that's what it is. It looks like it's gonna be like a sour
Yeah.
or like an IPA, but it's just poppy lager, really.
Yeah, it's good.
And then I've gone for the night blossom. I'm going to draw.
So, you.
I said it tastes like a twister ice lolly. And you said that's what it tastes like. Hollywood Studios. And I actually agree with you. Somehow, to us, the Blue Milk and this, I can't remember what it's called, Night Blossom tastes like the Blue Milk, which is like a tropical twister like flavour. The boba's nice as well.
In the UK, we have twisters and ice lollies. Oh, they're great.
It's absolutely poaching, so we'll put the gamble.
Poaching and roasting.
Poaching and roasting. That's the review from the spot. It's poaching and roasting.
I like the squirrel. I like the squirrel. It's actually so quiet. Where are we going?
Africa. forgot to start the song. I'm in Africa.
Are you singing Bless the Rains Down in Africa?
That's the one.
I bless the rains down in
Look at
Africa.
this. Oh, it's so nice. Having a little wonder with their
Well,
drinks.
wonder, a little bit of beer. You don't have
Beer.
beer.
I'm alcohol free. This is
Alcohol free.
Nathan's on the beers.
I'm on the green stuff. Come on, Rachel.
Let's go.
Yeah. I don't know. No, I
That's funny. Like, I started there 6 minutes. I don't actually think
Fight for the charity. Yeah, they do great. There's buttons to them, which is pretty funny because they're just native.
Isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Nothing. Oh, you're sitting on like a...
Fresh off the grill show. Gonna jump right on the safari. Let's go.
the loading zone also. So ceremony means welcome friends, welcome. The first one coming up, they're kind of walking towards the left, so we'll probably stay with them for a little bit. So this large sand-colored antelope, this is a greater kudu. There's a couple more ahead of us. And then they can't see it coming up, my friends. Take a look on the left. It's the baby giraffe. Super close to us. So we're coming into that particular baby giraffe is already measuring at 7 feet tall.
We're home.
Surprise! We're back at the Rosen. I think the last thing I filmed was us on the safari, and yeah, we basically got off the safari and decided that it was time to head back to the hotel because park was going to close in an hour anyway, and we are getting married tomorrow, so there is lots to do to prepare for that. So yeah, we've come home now, but we were literally just talking about how good a day it was at Animal Kingdom. I feel like I was gonna say it's redeemed itself as if it wasn't good last year.
It was
we weren't good last year at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
That's what truly was the problem last year. We were so done in. We talk about that day a lot as being one that like we were so tired. Like it was so tired, and I'm like, I think from the moment we walked into the park, we were genuinely like, wow, like it's so cool, and I just didn't feel that way or didn't notice it enough last year, and I think that's just down to how tired we were at the time.
And I do think that it's a slower paced day, and it is,
which was amazing.
you should definitely take it slower as well.
Yeah.
Like there's no rush to go where you need to be, there's no rush to do things you need to do. The rides aren't super long.
Yeah.
Like
we only went on 4 rides. So yeah, I think it was a brilliant day, and we've literally, when we've been leaving, saying that we actually might go back again. We only had 1 day planned in Animal Kingdom, but it was just so fun, it was so chill. So we might do some rearranging with the days and maybe go back. If there's time, we might go back for another day because that would be really fun.
Yeah.
And we're now going to start getting ready because we are getting married in the morning. So yeah, and that'll be a different video potentially if I am able to take any footage.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's all, folks. Bye!